Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Exodus Wet Music Festival splashes into Carnival Week with headliner Voice leading the charge.
Keep that.
Water, paint, powder, music. The perfect ingredients for Exodus Wet Music Festival. Exodus Carnival officially turned up the heat and the water, kicking off Carnival Week on Monday with the second staging of its signature Wet Fete at Port Spectrum in downtown Kingston. Scores of revelers poured into the venue just before dawn, ready to get soaked and swept up in the energy as Trinidadian soca star Voice set the tone for the day.
The first time Voice ever performed in Jamaica was for Xodus, I believe 2017. He's been with Xodus every single year since. And he brought out Iowa George, who is one of the legends of soca, the man, the water master as them call him. So, you know, it's super exciting.
Scott Dunn is the founder and director of Exodus Carnival.
Hey, what a way to kick off the week, you know, it's just Monday. Most of the foreigners not even here, so it's a lot of locals, some people who came in early, especially for Wet. So it's, you know, it's really exciting to see how the week will kick off, and, you know, Exodus have fete after fete after fete all week.
Now, on the international scene, organizers have cancelled this year's Wireless Festival in London amid controversy surrounding headliner Kanye West. The saga began when news broke on Monday that Pepsi and Diageo had pulled their sponsorship from Wireless Festival. This came after West was announced as the headlining act for the massive 3-day event scheduled for July. Now, on Tuesday, West issued a statement saying he wanted to bring unity, peace and love through his music to London. He asked to sit down with members of Britain's Jewish community. However, British officials reportedly barred him from entering the United Kingdom. Now, West previously apologized for past comments in a full-page advertisement he took out in the Wall Street Journal in January. He also said last year that his diagnosis of bipolar disorder was incorrect and he actually is autistic. Rapper Offset treated for gunshot wound. The representative for the rapper says he was shot in Hollywood, Florida on Monday. TMZ reported that he was shot near the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. The 34-year-old, whose real name is Kiara Cephas, is reportedly in stable condition. The circumstances surrounding the shooting are under investigation. Now, the Seminole Police Department says officers have detained 2 people. Offset's career took off over the past decade. He was part of a trio alongside Quavo and Takeoff. Takeoff died a few years ago from gunshot wounds. Now that's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.